All right, 450 Bushmaster, 200 yards out. We're just going to see the elevation difference on these Hornadies. The comparison, you know, from here out to from 100 yards, what it's zeroed in on. All right. All right, here we go. We have relocated to the 100-yard markish. Yes, that's hog blood. Yeah, it's probably not sanitary. But we're the Bohemian Hunting Club, where beer is all the antibiotics you need. So here we go. We're going to check the elevation now that we're at about 100 yards on the FTX. Yeah. Let me make sure. Yep. Hundred yards, shot difference, elevation. Looks like it's shooting the same. 100 and the 200, amazingly. I don't think I hit record, just in case I didn't. Here we go, 100 yards to 200 yard, 450 Bushmaster, the Hornady, the FTX, I believe. 200 yard shot right here and here. At the 100 yard was right here. So we're basically, there's no change in elevation. Yes, I gotta make a little adjustment, go down, blah, blah, blah. But there you go. That is actually pretty neat. I have a 16-inch barrel, I believe. It might be an 18, I might have to correct it. But 16-inch barrel, there you are. No difference from 100 to 200 with the Hornady FTX.